Hi everyone, my name's Harrison Ball. I'm an online educator, and what I wanted to do today is to show you that it doesn't take very long to get started on the trumpet the correct way, whether you're approaching it or returning. This is a video from the first lesson that I had with my student James, who had jaw surgery and had over 35 years off of the trumpet. This is how he went from this. That's it. Mm-hmm.
I think the
So,
biggest thing for me is figuring out the placement on my lips
mm-hmm.
is the big thing for me.
You try that in the mouthpiece.
Oh yeah.
Mm. Boom. Best sound of the day, low C. To this. Great, now play all those five notes one after each other. I
I
mean,
impressed myself.
man, you couldn't do that 20 minutes ago.
No.
Seriously, like, boom, one octave, one scale. First real lesson, like,
Yeah, I'm impressed with myself.
well, yeah, you did the work. That's all it is you sit there and did it because it's frustrating, but you did it.
Yeah, and I think just your teaching along with me putting it to action actually helped a lot too. Because
Well,
me
yeah.
trying to do it on my own, I don't think I would be able to do it on my own.
See, you did C major scale.
Yeah.
Boom. Ba da 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 dee da da.
I'm gonna go back down.
Boom. You did it. Good.
Yeah.
It's great. That's
Yep.
awesome. That's what we're
The
talking
more
about.
practice I make or
That's it.
do, the better it's gonna get.
Yep. That's true. And I mean, you're already like, 20 minutes in playing all the notes from C to C. You know the fingerings. You know how to hold the trumpet. Now you're getting the embouchure back.
Yeah.
It's just one small step forward, but it's a huge step. First one's the hardest.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it feels kind of weird,
Mm-hmm.
but it's a good weird feeling.
Like a tingling or.
Yeah, I mean because my lips haven't been used to putting a mouthpiece on it.
Mm.
Yeah, and then I mean like outside of like what I had mentioned about with the procedure that I had done, just getting used to how that the metal plate is in my face with the screws and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But then the way how they realign my jaw, it feels different on how I put the mouthpiece on my mouth, and then just learning to readjust after all them years, and then learning how to push the air back through the horn.
That's it. It's like
Yeah,
way
but this
less.
is this is a lot farther than where I thought I would ever be.
In one lesson within Precision Brass program. If you're interested, check out the link in the description where you can find out more about my trumpet pedagogical approaches. Thanks for checking, and don't forget to subscribe for some more trumpet tips.